Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Today we are going to learn Write Anywhere. So if you want to watch more tips and tricks on Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Excel and also Windows 10, please click on playlist Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel and Windows tips and tricks. There you will get lot of videos about these tips and tricks. Today I am going to show how to write wherever you want on a Microsoft Word document. Usually if you want to write in different column, we use table, then hide the table. After writing we usually hide the lines of the table. But if you double click anywhere in the Microsoft Word, you can write without the table. Just you need to do double click and start writing. So wherever you want to write, you can write. No need to insert table and then hide the lines of the table. Double click and you can write anywhere. Wherever you want, just you need to double click and start writing. So in this way you can avoid table, because if you use table and then hide the grids of the table, if you send the document to someone, then they might find difficult to adjust because they cannot see the lines of the table. But if you use double click, it is very easy. Next time when you are using Microsoft Word, I am sure you will use this feature in order to increase efficiency and speed while working on Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.